Go, go.
Good afternoon, people. My name is Charles Williams, and I'm gonna do a couple sound effects, only for the grown adults or whatnot. See, I got the Fashion Geek shirt on. You know what I'm saying? Fashion Geek all day, every day. Black History Month. If you don't know your black, if you don't know yourself, you don't know your history.
Okay, go ahead. Get to the sound effects.
All right. This is the sound of a guy and his girl after they get done.
No. Charles, I want like a duck sound or something.
Whoa,
A duck?
one of those moments. And
Yeah.
the award goes to Legion.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the sound. Make sure I get the sound.
That's a duck. Okay, that's your duck right there. How about this? Another duck. Let's get dangerous. I don't know the song, but I just know that part. I gotta think of that. Darkwing Duck. Darkwing Duck.
Do
ow.
excuse me.
Ow.
Do a rooster or a hen or something. A chicken. Okay, do that motorboat thing.
See, guys, when you get you a girl, you grab her by the chest, right? And you just like that. That's a motorboat.
Okay, no,
Okay.
that's not a motorboat.
Yeah, it's Facebook.
But yeah.
Even though it says YouTube on the phone, I don't know what you call that. Camera.
It's gonna be on Facebook.
Yeah, he's doing his little, yeah.
Oh, somebody's singing over there.
Post it, man.
Whose camera is that? That's your camera?
Go back to me. I want to see me. After you're done.
Hi, Jermaine. Hi, Jermaine.
Is that outside face?
Hi, Jermaine.
What?
Hi.
I should have said y'all. You sweating, nigga? That's the name. Hey, G, you on camera?
Is that all you want to
That's
stay?
a picture?
She ain't taking a picture.
That's on camera.
She recording you.
It's a video.
Dude, don't make those faces on your damn video, dude. What?
Too late.
She didn't take the picture.
You not listening. It wasn't ever a picture. It was a video. Delete. Now, please.
Nah.
Before I go to
Gotta say
you
hi
the
to the
type of guy.
camera.
You're the type of guy.
He gonna be on Facebook with the ugliest face of 2009, I guarantee you. Lee John Brown. Remember I said it first. Lee John fucking Brown. Yeah, man, you just all regular camera. Nah, man.
And remember this, ladies and gentlemen.
You the type of guy.
And remember this, ladies and gentlemen. Green is the money and gold is the honey. This is gold and green's in my pocket. I ain't gonna show y'all.
That ain't no real gold.
If it's not, then how come my finger's not green?